If you try to launch SD Gundam Battle Alliance on the Xbox app or Microsoft Store and the game crashes, shows an error, or the game doesn't even open, then this could be happening because your drivers might be outdated, or your game files are damaged or corrupt. So in this tutorial we'll teach you several methods to fix your game. Open your Xbox app. Select SD Gundam Battle Alliance. Click on the three dots. Select Manage. Open the Files tab. Click on Check for Updates. This will check for updates in case there's a new update that will resolve your issue. If that didn't work, select Verify and Repair. Choosing to verify and repair your files will reset SD Gundam Battle Alliance to its original settings. You won't retain any mod files, and game saves that aren't backed up may also be lost. Press Yes. Now wait for SD Gundam Battle Alliance to be scanned for errors. Now try to launch your game. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate SD Gundam Battle Alliance. Click on the three dots to open the SD Gundam Battle Alliance options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If SD Gundam Battle Alliance isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The SD Gundam Battle Alliance data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If SD Gundam Battle Alliance is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. The SD Gundam Battle Alliance's data will be deleted. Now press Reset. If SD Gundam Battle Alliance still not working, you could try to reinstall it. Press Uninstall. Open the Xbox app to download SD Gundam Battle Alliance again. Locate SD Gundam Battle Alliance. Press Install. Now launch SD Gundam Battle Alliance. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.